Whenever your lane opponent roams, they always get kills. Whenever you roam, everyone and their grandma knows you're coming and safely back off. So why does this happen? Well, if you're using the missing ping when your opponent roams, then this is probably the reason this is happening. Here's why. Players think pinging missing in lane when their opponents are missing is the best way to communicate. It just isn't. Honestly, how often do you actually pay attention to your own team's missing pings? Yeah, basically never, right? That's because the missing ping hardly makes a sound and can easily be ignored in the middle of a match. Here's the solution. Just use the danger ping instead right on your teammates. It's that easy. Think about it. Your teammates literally don't have minimaps, right? Well, at least they play like it, so why ping somewhere on the map that they're unlikely to see? You should communicate as urgently as you possibly can right in the center of their lane so they instantly get the memo. Now that you've got their attention, throw a couple more pings from where the danger is coming from so they're aware on how to get away. Not only is the danger ping much louder than the missing one, but by doing it right in front of their faces, your teammates would have to be blind and deaf to not get the hint now. So they'll only give your lane opponent a kill every other game instead of all the time now. Hey, it's better than nothing. Share this with a friend who needs it.